It's Anderson Kamburu over here. Word on the go.
Hey Anderson Kamburu.
Yeah.
I have a question. What is one of the things that a man must conquer or overcome to become successful?
Whoa, amazing question. Let me throw at least three things. There are more than that, but I can throw you three of them. Number one, a man must be able to overcome the sins of his youth. There is a lot of men who have not been able to overcome those desires and the youthful sins. They follow you up. They are like hyenas. Hyenas will follow the prey until they devour the flesh. They will follow you even to your old age if you don't kill them early. So number one, you have to kill the sins of your youth that have to do with the desire to get rich quick, the desire for women, lust, the desire to party, the desire, all those crazy. Then number two, you have to overcome pride. Pride has stolen from more men than the thugs of this world. Pride is a thief. Pride will be the biggest stopper before you from entering the next level. Pride will forbid you from becoming a higher version of who you can be. Pride will get rid of your covering, of your mentors, of people who can give you wisdom. Pride will delete shortcuts in your life. People who, and wisdom that was to bring you shortcuts, you'll end up going through long cuts in life because pride could not allow you to be able to just humble yourself and allow yourself to be exalted. And the last one, and the big deal one, is the need. Man must be able to overcome, and this is tricky, you have to overcome the need to need people. What I mean by that is, I'm not saying that people are useless. People are very valuable. You appreciate people, but you have to live to the level where you don't necessarily need people to stay standing. You see, man was created to be the lead. Man, I believe, when we do not have patriarchy, the society in all metrics begin to collapse, begin to fall. So whenever we lose men, we lose great grace in leadership, because women bring what men cannot do. Women bring nurturingness. Then there is that nurturing of life, that maintenance, that life is brought in by that woman. But the leadership, the protection, and the covering of societies and men is brought in by men. So man must be able to lean. Man must need God. Man must not need man. What I mean by that is that you have to lean on God alone and learn to do that early, so that you don't need to lean on men. Because when men lean on men or women, when these people move, you're going to collapse, you're going to die. So you have to live your life in such a way, let me make it better, where with or without them, you will still be standing. You look to God and to God alone. Like, follow, and share.